Simple to use and easy to maneuver, the Ewbank AQUAROVER140 pressure washer will make light work of sprucing up your outdoor space. It's packed with accessories that you can attach to the high-pressure gun, including the adjustable fan nozzle for general cleaning. To help provide a deeper clean, the built-in detergent bottle can be used to loosen dirt, while the fixed brush accessory will get your car's body and wheels sparkling clean. And for those all-important hard-to-reach areas, use the spray lance combined with the angled nozzle for a thorough clean, or blast away dirt and leaves. Unlike standard pressure washers, the AQUAROVER140's design is all about flexibility. 4 sturdy wheels will help you move it around, although you can sit it upright too. There's a long-reach 5-meter hose and cable, and built-in brakes to lock it in position. The round patio brush will bring your slabs, tiles and decking back to life. And the jet nozzle will tackle those extra stubborn stains and moss build-up with ease. The AQUAROVER140 is self-priming, which means it can use water from any source. Plus, its auto-stop system immediately cuts off the water when you let go of the trigger, so you never waste a drop. And when you're finished, you can store all the nozzles and spray lance on the pressure washer itself, and there's a handy carry handle too. So if you're looking for a pressure washer that will help you transform your outdoor space, the Ewbank AQUAROVER140 is the perfect choice.